nga sana yung bee farm kaso may bayad.
Oo. Magkano ang cute ng ano nila, bus nila. Kakaiba yun ah.
Yun yung ano, pwede ka pumunta sa tuktok tapos makikita mo ang view.
Ah, yun, nakikita ko sa Instagram. Bale, magpa-park kayo dito pala. Pagdating sa Hatta Dam, you have to park here in this parking space. Then, you're gonna ride this free shuttle up to the dam. You can also go straight to the dam, but the problem is there's really very few parking spaces and it's very busy. So it's better to get parked down and get a shuttle just like this one that you see to the dam site. It's only like 3 to 5 minutes to the dam. Yan. So very exciting kasi yung unang time nakapunta ako sa Hatta Dam. May bundok pala dito sa UAE, guys. Pero yung mga bundok nila is mga bato. Notice mo. Maganda yung experience na to kasi makikita mo pala maraming terrain dito sa UAE. Hindi lang batag na desierto lang, kundi meron din silang mga bundok tulad dito. At yun nga, yung mga bundok nila is mainly bato. And dito sa area na pumunta natin is Hatta Dam. So maraming activities dito. May mga kayaking and sightseeing, may hiking. So maraming activities and para kakaibang experience sa UAE. Normally dito kasi mag-desert safari ka, tsaka meron mga tourist sites na mga buildings tsaka hotels, pero ito natural. Except yung dam, syempre, hindi yun natural man-made. So ito siya. Yan yung picture ng founders. Medyo matirik dito. Actually, galing ako dito kanina. Hinatid ko lang yung asawa at anak ko. Tapos dito kami. This is the stop. Baba na kami dito. Oh, okay. Yo. This is sinakyan kong shuttle. And now, makikita mo napakagandang view. Wow. At yan yung papunta sa kayak. So these are the Hatta activities, kayak activities. You have single kayak, double kayak, may water bike then, single and double, triple. They also have a yellow boat and they have a donut boat as well. It starts at 60 and goes all the way up to 950 for a VIP boat. Yes. They also have mountain trekking adventures. You have biking, different kinds of hiking. It starts from 60 for the mountain hike and then a Hatta sign hike. And then they have also a farm hike and a farm biking, mountain do it all, which is 130, and then explore Hatta. which has a lot of the tourist spots here. That's for 100 for kids, 200 for adults. The duration is 3 to 4 hours, minimum of 2 people. Ito naman yung more activities. Meron siyang netway, walkway, which is free from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Then you have the small plunge and the big plunge, the mountain cart, zip line. Zip line is 95, the cannon is 150. They also have archery, which is 25. Wall climbing 25, axe throwing 45, 35 for the inflatable maze. Ang shuttle, sige, may kayak. Ayos. Wow, ganda ng view, oh. Si Marky, oh. Mark is not crying, oh. Ayos yung shades mo, ah. Oh. Wow, look at the fish, oh. Wow. Look at the fish. Yeah.
But we don't have more.
They have like a dam measuring. Wow. Hola.
Because they are hungry.
Why?
Maybe they want more.
We fed
So hindi tayo makasakay kasi bawal yung mga bata. Oh. Unfortunately, hindi kami makasakay sa kahit anong ride kasi meron kaming kasamang mga bata. Hindi allowed dahil for safety reasons. Tita Bina, paano yung kayak mo? Yung kayak, ayaw niyo magkayak? Tita Ses. Oh no. Hindi pala pwede talaga kasi safety. Di bali, okay lang, safety first. Mahirap na. Pag nahulog kasi yung bata, mahirap din eh.
Bye-bye.
Yay!
Oh, you go to Lola. There, singit dito kay Lola.
Naghihintay tayo ngayon ng ano.
Ikaw, kailangan tubig niyo.
Ito yung store dito sa may Hata Dam, sa may tabi ng babaan ng kayak. So nagbebenta sila ng mga refreshment, then mga snack. Yan. Tara.
Wow! Ano nangyari kay Iya? Wala din.
Mabilis lang yan.
Wala dapat nila na pinapatakas.
3 minutes lang. Kaya nga, dapat din. Let's go. Bababa lang sila din eh. May bumababa pa eh. Okay. Maraming laman, maraming space yan. Diretso ako. Thank you.
Pinirahan ko.
Hindi sa lahat ng lugar, tita. Dito pa kayo nag-bus, no?
Oo, dito talaga. At dito kami nandun ng Netflix.
Kumusta ba experience sa Hata Dam?
Wow, ang ganda. Saan na nakakita niyan? Bundok nilagyan ng water. Only in UAE.
Hindi, tama. Ganda
Ang
na.
yaman nila. Ang
Tama.
yaman nila.
Wow. Yan no? Lagayan din. Ay, ano? Water, mineral water.
Napansin mo pala, di ba? Kasi sila lahat. Ang ginawa ko, una-una ko na sabi niya, sige ako.
Karte ang EDSA. Oh, ayaw mo na? Nanay, ayaw niya na. Dito na kami.
Can